Hello and welcome to Wyckoff Training Academy. This session is purely for the discussion of my WTA trend identification, unique trend identification tool or indicator, you can call it. So in this particular indicator or in this particular session, we are going to discuss about the indicator wherein we would be uh, diving into how this indicator is basically and how works and what is the premise of this indicator. So we would be starting from 13th May, how many trades I got, and uh, I'll not get into the logic of my trade, but I'll give you a fair idea how this indicator operates. So by the end of the session, you might be in a position to understand. So first thing first, what comprises of this indicator? You have a a blue label with blue line, pink label with pink line, and gray label with gray dash line. So these are the three major components of this indicator. First thing, you get a solid line, dash line, and then a solid line. And one second. So the thing I have applied it on candlesticks so that as I'm sharing this indicator since past 2 or 3 weeks on my Telegram group, and I'm sharing the trade based on how I opt for a trade when the scenario uh, a selling or a buying opportunity appears. So unlike any like this is a there is a theory, uh, uptrend is a sequence or a series of higher highs and higher lows. Downtrend is a series or sequence of lower highs and lower lows. And in a sideways market, there is a kind consolidation, price moving sideways. So this is what normally all everyone knows, every trader knows about this thing, trend, how to identify trend. But this in this unique trend identification method, I would be teaching you the modern way of identifying trend either upwards or downwards with the help of 6 rules, wherein you would be in a position to forecast and plan a move which is about to take place in future. So this is how this indicator is being plotted. It is not plotted on the same bar. It takes around, depending upon number of bars set, like current setting is of 11 bars. After 11 bars, this line and this level will be plotted on the chart. And after that, we look for how price reacts to those levels once they have been plotted on the chart. So let's see how like what trades we got and how I took the trades. Like for example, on May 13th, I got the first trade which was of selling on 1355 on this particular price level. This was a selling opportunity because based on my trend analysis, now this was a place where one could short. So I short sold at this particular position. Second opportunity I got at this particular position, which happens to be an upsurge also. Third position was this. So now why I initiated sell trades? Because in anticipation that price is going to go downwards. Based on that anticipation and analysis, I have taken this short selling trades. So these were the prices at which I opened the trade, and this was 3234,854 was the price wherein I closed all the trades. So this is what uh, happened on 13th May. Let us look at 14th May. So here the market was coming down, then it went into loop. Then, as per my logic, like uh, there are 4 to 6 rules, you can say 4 to 6 give or take rules, and out of like 2 rules are for accumulation and distribution, and rest of the 4 rules are of for uptrend and downtrend and defining sideways. So here, as per this was the coiling of price. Here was the position I shorted, as I mentioned here also, upthrust sell trade, and I was anticipating this move, and based on the logical analysis with the help of this indicator, which happened to start from this particular point and all this coiling of prices, and then at this particular level, it was clear that now the price is in a move or is about to go downwards. I also use, in combination to this one, I use price and volume, which is I'm not going to discuss about that one in this particular session, but in the course I would be talking more on about this particular toolkit or this particular vice way pricing volume. So I closed my position over here, and then on 15th of May, we got an opportunity at 3185790, which happens to be somewhere here. This was again a very excellent opportunity to catch a top in some sense and ride the trade till this particular point. So uh, here I exited out of the trade, and on the same day, I got another opportunity that is of long opportunity, a buying opportunity at 3186 at here. So all these trading opportunities are initiated based on the analysis which has been done, with the help of this tool and with the help of my logical technique, which give us an upper hand in identifying this much of price action beforehand, in identifying or play or riding this particular price action. So that doesn't mean, and the main objective of this uh, particular uh, indicator, which I've made, which particular technique of unique identification, is to give you low risk, high reward trades. And I'll not I'm not a high risk kind of a high reward kind of a trader, but rather I like to focus on how much I can minimize my risk and let the profit take care of myself. So even for riding the trade, this indicator then and my technique helps you to be in a trade, and you know where the market would make a down move, or where a market would make a up move, or where a market might make a turn. So based on that, I plan my trades. So now moving on to 10th of May. So here I got first selling opportunity with this price action, and with this price action, and with the help of my trend analysis overall, I got to a conclusion. I came to the conclusion that we should sell over here. Second selling opportunity. My target was this one, though the trade was ideally should have been exited at this particular point, but this was my target. So some portion was booked, and some portions of some traders booked at the profit at this particular point, and some trader might have booked the profit at this particular point. So again, here also we got an opportunity, but I I was done for the day, so I haven't taken any opportunity. As you can see, when the price was trading here, this was the target which I set, and it reached. And once my target was achieved, price pierced down and made a new low or make a very fast, went through a fast momentum downward stride. And then after that, you can see there is a buying climax or selling climax, shortening of thrust, and then price rolling backwards. So I had given the analysis on my one of my Telegram channel that if the price sustains this particular point, or it goes up, and or if is is going to break this one, so this has a high probability of going upwards. So this is how I use this tool. I'm not getting into the detail of how I identify this tool, how I use this tool, because that is in my course, which is ongoing. And uh, whoever wants to master the modern unique trend identification technique, which is not quite common in the people or common in the trader, can join my ongoing course, which has been started from today. So this course comes along with the indicator and a detailed instruction how to use it, and multiple case studies would be done, irrespective of any stock, commodities, or script or indices you're using across globe. So this is a very unique way of doing trend analysis, and everything is measured in a proper proportion. Like for example, if a pullback has to happen, where it should be and how much it should be, and if it is deviating from that particular analysis of price level, why, and then what should be our next move. So it is a very, very unique way of, once you join the course and once you do the complete course and once you apply it, you would be blown away with the accuracy and the amount of comfort it provides you while trading. So looking forward to seeing you on the in the course, and uh, you have my contacts in the description. You can join the course and make a trend analysis or make a trading very healthy and easier and a comfortable task for you. And moreover, apart from this, I have this indicator also, that is a vice way. So you can use it along with it if you want. If you don't want, you can use it idly. But I recommend people to use this one, because in this course I would be discussing about this indicator also. But that doesn't include in the costing. You can pay some extra bucks and you can get this indicator also. So looking forward to meeting you people all in training. The training has been started. You can join the course by tomorrow also. Thanks a lot for watching the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to DM me or write in the comment box, so that I'll be glad to help you out with all your queries. Thank you.